Hi guys, this is the LinkedIn Group Finder. All right, guys, I actually for Mass Planner. Sorry, this is LinkedIn Group Finder for Mass Planner. What I actually did with this, guys, and it's kind of funny. I just created. I had accounts in the past, but I just created my LinkedIn account just to test this module out with you guys. Isn't that awesome? So let me show you how it works. All right. So first off, as with the Facebook and Google Plus, Circle and Group Finder, pretty much the same thing here with the LinkedIn Finder. And this can be awesome if you're marketing. If you're LinkedIn is the place if you're looking for a serious job, and therefore a lot of job recruiters could make use of this software. And oh my God, it just, this is it. Okay, so let's just go here. So say for instance, I'm searching for groups about social media marketing. Okay, or actually let's do social media management or manager, or just do social media. Okay, we'll do that. And what we're going to do is we're going to skip groups with more than, okay, and remember this. Okay, sorry. Let me do this first. So social media is the keyword that we're going to search for. You can search for multiple keywords using the comma separated, blah, 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 but we're just going to search for one thing here. All right, we're going to exclude keywords. The exclusion is basically if you don't want social media in regards to certain niches or certain such like that. So you might want to put social media for, I don't know, various countries, or you might want to put various languages. So it might be social media. If you don't speak Spanish, you might want to put like Espanol or something like that, you know. But that's where the keyword exclusions come from, or exclude keywords come from, okay? Skip groups with more than 0 people. All right, 0 is the default setting, so basically it means ignore. You want to leave that as is so that it goes above 0, okay, so 1 and above. Skip groups with less than. This section here, you want to set this to something like, it depends. If you're looking, LinkedIn is a pretty big network, so you may want to set this for something like maybe 50 to 100, and I'll do that. So I'll say about 100. So social media is pretty big, so we'll say about 100. Okay, and then for each keyword, bring a maximum of 500 groups. Okay, once again, this setting here, guys, it's a default setting set by Mass Planner simply so that it scrapes at least a minimum of 500 groups, okay? I know this says maximum, but it's going to do at least 500 groups. You could put this to like 1,000, you know, and it's just going to make sure it starts from 1,000 down, okay? Clear search results when starting a new operation. Basically what that will do is if I had any search results previously down here, it would basically just delete those or just remove them, okay? And ignore already joined groups. So any groups that I may be already in, it would ignore those, all right? So let's go ahead and start the group finder. Okay, and we'll click here on LinkedIn so that you guys can see what's going on. And all I did was simply click on the name up there. And you see it's going to go and search through all these groups. So look at that, 13,941 results for social media, okay? And it's just going to start finding these groups, going through the different pages, and listing them out for us, guys. So that's how powerful Mass Planner is. So if you're using, if you use any, if you're a job recruiter, just imagine putting in a job like title, or just putting in like the type job you're looking for. So say for instance, if you're looking for a shade tree mechanic, you put in shade tree mechanic, and it starts listing groups or what have you for shade tree mechanic. This is just, it just goes through it like so easily. There are other things that you can do with this tool or with LinkedIn with Mass Planner, but for now we're just going to go into the group finder. I'm going to search for these groups, let you see what it looks like, and also just let you see what Mass Planner is actually doing. And like I said, guys, I just created this account on LinkedIn today so that you guys can see exactly how this works, because I didn't even have my account linked to Mass Planner before, because I just know that it was a bit more to bear and to learn. But hey, if we can learn together, that's all good, right? And you're starting to see where I said you can exclude some things. So you see Turkey's in there, Italy's in there, these different things, libraries in there. if you want to take out some of those keywords just by looking at what's going on, you can take out some of that stuff. So like I'm in network marketing for Make Money Online. So like PPC, different things like that. And I saw a couple of things like that. I might want to get into it, so that's where doing proper, a bit of research helps you, to learn to what, and that's basically learning on, or the excluding keywords, if you want to do that part. So let's just let this go for a bit more, guys. And see what it comes up with here. Well, Kuala Lumpur, China, hotels and restaurants, so much stuff, Hong Kong. And it's just going to keep going, guys. Let me put this down to the bottom a little bit. And it's not going to finish showing the groups until it does at least like 500. Like I said, it's going to do at least 500, so it may display a bit more. And let's see how it goes, though. So we're now at 50. How many? Wow, 53 pages? That's a lot. Okay, so it finished the operation there. All right, and so as I told you, so $4.99, it scraped $4.99 out of the, and if I put it at 500, it would just take above 500, it would just take a bit longer to scrape through groups. But basically, okay, so you see the results that have been returned. Pretty good, right? There's actually a lot more if we go down here, okay? And simply put, what I would do is I can go through these, and like social media marketing, I might want that one, so I tick that. Or as you can do an advanced selection here, okay, and I really can search for just like the keywords. So I'll do social media marketing here, and it'll list all the groups with social media marketing. So I'll tick this one here, tick this one here, this, wow, this, strategies and tips on social. Look at that, guys. I mean, this is all on LinkedIn. So if you guys are marketing, this is definitely the place to do it. All right, so I'll close this here. And once again, guys, this portion here, you can search for it, the group to have a minimum of so many users or a maximum of so many users. Okay, so we'll click the X here. Okay, I won't show you too much of these because I think I've shown you these options here before on other modules. All right, and the next thing I'm going to do with the items that I have selected, okay, you have these options here. You can select all, select none, remove selected, export selection, send selected to joiner, which I'm going to do. Boom. Okay, so you see 6 groups have been sent to group joiner. Send selected to group ignore. We're not going to do that because we want to join these groups right now. Send selected to joiner of same tag accounts. Split selection between joiner of same tag accounts. Okay, so basically this, once again, this is a Pinterest account. So if I had other Pinterest accounts, I could send this to, if I had them all tagged as Pinterest, it would go to all the Pinterest accounts, okay? If I had it tagged, split between, it would basically send them all and join them at a different time, all right? So let me scroll up here. And basically what I would do here is I'm finished with that portion. The next step is going to the joiner, okay, which I'll do in the next video, and I'll see you guys in a few seconds. But that is basically the group finder, or the LinkedIn group finder module for Mass Planner. All right, talk to you guys in a second.